all been there. You buy a second-hand iPhone, or maybe you finally factory set an old device you found in the drawer, only to be completely locked out by this screen. Forgotten Apple ID or stubborn iCloud activation locks can instantly turn a great phone into a paperweight. But in 2026, you don't need a trip to an Apple store to fix it. Today, I'm going to show you a straightforward PC-based method to bypass this lock completely using Tenorshare 4uKey. So without wasting much of your time, let's get the video rolling. To begin with, head over to tenorshare.com or click the link in the description box below to download the program. The software is available for both Windows and Mac OS. So once you're on the website, these are some of the features of the tool. You can go through the compatibility. Yeah, you can see this is a tool that is specifically built for iOS utility. So once you download, you can check the download over there, and then you just install. All right, so that is my download. It's currently downloading. Also, like I said earlier, it's available for Mac. So if you are running on Mac, you can download for Mac. But I think once you open the web, it will detect the system you're running. Yeah. So once you're done with the download, you proceed with the installation, which is also pretty straightforward. You just go ahead and double click the setup or the file, click OK, accept. You can read through the terms, click next, and install. Alright, heads up. Just a quick promo update before the tool launches to begin with the bypass. Tenorshare is actually celebrating their 18th anniversary right now. So because of that, they are running a massive giveaway campaign alongside their anniversary promotions, making it a great time to check out their software suite. Also, to clarify a few technical details before we dive into the bypass video, remember that this is a desktop PC-based software solution. It works flawlessly on iOS 12 to 16 on iCloud bypass and support all iPhones to 17 Pro Max on iOS 26 for passcode unlock or MDM bypass. Alright, so let's get back to the bypass. On the main dashboard, the interface is user-friendly, very simple. The first option you see is unlock iOS screen. This is basically going to help you to remove your passcode lock or your forgotten PIN on your iPhone. All iPhones, the latest and the latest iOS. You can import the firmware if you have them locally on your desktop. You can use this option to remove the Apple ID without a password. You can also bypass MDM restrictions in instant or a few seconds using the other option. But the reason most of you are here today is for the biggest battle of all, the iCloud activation lock. So it's the one that leaves most people stranded. So let's get started. You click on the start button, the device will automatically be detected if you connect in normal mode, and that is the right way to begin with the bypass. You connect your phone in normal mode, and then you ensure it's connected to a Wi-Fi network, all right, or maybe it has internet access. I don't know how to put it. Let me ensure the phone is on the activation lock screen before we begin with the bypass. All right, so once you're done, you just click on the start button. The tool is going to put the device into recovery. All right, so once the device is in recovery, you proceed with the DFU. You have to hold the combination keys, that is the volume and then the side key or the power key, to enter DFU. If for some reason the device boots up, you have to repeat the process. So once you see the progress bar loading, you should sit back and relax for the bypass to be completed. It means it's in progress. All right. Also, once it's completed, you see the successful message on your screen. and then you just go ahead and set up your device. In my case, you just boot straight to the home screen, because after the erase of this device, I partially skip the setup. So once the bypass is completed, it will just skip home. I don't have to set up anything. But in your case, you might need to set up the device after the bypass process is completed. If you don't understand what I'm saying, just follow along. You understand in the video. Alright, so from the tool, the bypass process is completed, and like I said before, my device is booted straight to the home screen. I don't need to set up anything. Alright, so that is all for today. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in my next video. Till then, peace out.